RXRX Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this one in the video till the end, find out. Especially looking at Recursion Pharmaceuticals right now. I mean, it is decent $5.61 level. What I'll do here is just okay, sit like that. This is how my chart is looking like. And this is not that big of a bullish thing, to be very frank with you. Like it's definitely a solid I'm a solid double break away from selling more. Like it just must break beneath these lows at like $4, but it's like 561, which is not that far away. So in the meantime, you can do whatever the heck you want. But if it shows me a proper shift, then bearish side, it's what I'll continue with, you know, to take things further down. You know what I mean? So that's how RXRX is looking like. I do have a lot of receipts here with RXRX. So there's really not lack of coverage with 7 results. If you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already seen it, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.